So this is Huckleberry Finn, the cutest little pig that I know, and I am about to feed him dinner, and I don't think that you could ever see someone as happy as he is to eat right now. So Finn, look how cute this is. Okay, Finn, sit, Finn, sit. Will you, Finn, sit. Look at him, ready, sit. Finn, sit. He can barely contain himself. Ready, sit. You can eat. Is that yummy, Finn? Finn? Is that yummy? Good, Finn. Good boy. So he's eating a very healthy dinner of tomatoes, romaine lettuce, cucumbers, and some special mini pig feed. And what I think is hilarious is that his little tail will not stop wagging. So let's see if we can get a little view of that. I do this every day and I still get amused by it. Oh, is he a little conscientious of his dairy yard? Look at that! Look at that! Looks like he has some tomato on his back. Anyway, this is just another adventure in the life of Huckleberry Finn.